Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna talk about all the books I read in the month of July and then we are gonna pick my August TBR. So let's get started. उसमें से दो फिजिकल कॉपीज थी, एक ऑडियो बुक थी और चार ई बुक्स थी. So the first book I finished this month was the Townsend Secret Fam. So the first book I finished this month was the Townsend's Family Recipe for Disaster. मुझे बार बार ऐसा लगता है कि उसमें सीक्रेट भी है because she is trying to figure out her grandmother's secret recipe for mac and cheese. Anyways, I read a book by this author earlier this year and I absolutely loved it. It was The Secret Book Club and so I was excited to read this one as well. So what happens in this book, this particular book, is that she is getting married and her dad's side of family does not, मतलब वो लोग उनसे बात नहीं करते. She wanted to be part of that family. She wanted to know her that side of family as well. And then what happens is her grandmother passes away. तो फिर वो जाती है उसके फ्यूनरल पे. And there's also this thing कि her dad used to visit his family only on 4th of July barbecue and it was a big thing in her head कि that's a big family function, so she wanted to be part of that family function. And then she hears that कि कोई इस बार 4th of July barbecue नहीं करने वाला है because their grandma is not there. She usually hosts all these dinners and lunch. तो फिर she decides कि ठीक है फिर मैं करूँगी. I'll figure out grandma's best favorite secret mac and cheese recipe. She's trying to be close to her that side of family and figure out this secret recipe. That book is super cozy because there's some sort of food. There's always mac and cheese getting baked in the oven. Basically the entire book has a very cozy feel. At the same time it deals with so many difficult topics like racism, the feeling of belonging to something, belonging to a family, like getting known. बहुत सारे ऐसे topics है उसमें which are very beautifully written, beautifully handled. The guy she is getting married to, कॉनर, आई डोंट नो, नेम्स तो याद नहीं रहते मुझे. तो ही इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट बुक बॉयफ्रेंड्स एवर. लाइक इफ़ यू like fictional book boyfriends, you'll absolutely love this book and him. He's so sweet and so understanding. So yes, I think you should highly read this. I don't know how many stars I get. I'll just pop them here because it's always like 4.25, 4.75. Yeah, that was first book. After that I completed this book. It's Love on the Brain. I wanted to read something where I actually like the writing and I wasn't experimenting, so I decided to pick this one up. I love STEM books. I love Ali Hazelwood's writing. Her writing is actually beautiful and I love the banter. We all know what this book is about. It's about he gets to lead a NASA's project and she was very happy, but then she realizes that she has to co-lead it with a guy who is her nemesis from her university, and that's Levi. Basically banter, nemesis to lovers, happily ever after. Cute book. There are cats. Levi is absolutely a book boyfriend. A fun little cute romance. She does not write just STEM romances, but actually science भी involved होता है इसमें. Like she's literally talking about science and I love that. I loved the research labs. I loved them trying to solve the issues with the product they were trying to invent, make. So yes, I loved this book. I wanted to read something thrilling, you know. Hey, I forgot to tell you. अभी याद आया. सो लास्ट में मैंने प्रॉम्प्ट्स पिक किए थे. एक्चुअली कैसा है कि मैंने प्रॉम्प्ट्स पिक किए थे. मैंने TBR बुक्स, मतलब बुक्स नहीं पिक की थी स्पेसिफिकली. सो आई हैव ट्राइड टू फुलफिल द प्रॉम्प्ट्स. और सो मैंने बोला भी था कि शायद से सारे कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाएंगे, तो जितने होंगे उतना आई विल ट्राई टू रीड. बट फिर मैं रीडिंग स्लम में थी और मुझे कुछ भी पढ़ने का मन नहीं कर रहा था. आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू बिंज थ्रिलर्स. सो दैट्स वॉट आई डिड. I binged thrillers. I did read some of the prompts, like this is for a book from my favorite genre. So this fits that prompt. There was that book released this year and that was a Townsend Family Recipe for Disaster. Now we'll talk about the third book, which fits another prompt. पीछे है books. It's Wishes by V. Schwab, and it was for the person on the cover, as you can see. So yes, so I read this, and it is about Victor and Eli. They are college roommates. It's dark academia, so imagine that, a university, people trying to do some extraordinary stuff. They are doing a college project thesis, and things go south, and now they are turned into enemies. Now Victor is in jail for 10 years and Eli is out there. So when Victor comes out, he's going, that's the plot of this book. It's dual timeline and multiple POV, but they are in third person. It's very cinematic. Like मैंने literally जाके सर्च भी किया था कि इस बुक का कोई adaptation है या नहीं, but अभी तक तो नहीं है. I hope होगा, because it will be amazing. Like the university experiment, all the things happen in this book. They are very cinematic. It has very short chapters, so it's very easy to fly through this book. और जो भी इसमें हो रहा है, it's very dark academia. I really enjoyed it because मुझे चाहिए था, मुझे thrill चाहिए था, मुझे binge करना था कुछ तो. So I really like this. It's good. It's worth the hype because ये 2-4 साल पहले very hype में था. So it's worth the hype. Then I picked the Housemaid series, and उसमें क्या होता है कि she is trying to find a job and a place to stay. Then she applies to this housemaid job, and the house is pretty, the family is sweet, and she decides to take the job. But things start happening. The house is messy. The house owner, the female, she is just weird. कुछ ना कुछ तो करती है. The house is always messy. Starting में वो अच्छा था, but अभी वो बहुत ज़्यादा messy है. And she asks the housemaid to do certain things for the child, and then she keeps lying and stuff like that. The book is binge-worthy. The plot is good. The way it's written is different than usual thrillers, and I think it makes sense, but at the same time it doesn't make sense. बिकॉज स्टार्ट कैसा होता है यूजुअली थ्रिलर्स में कि वो बिल्डअप में बहुत टाइम चला जाता है और फिर बोर होने लगता है. ओनली द लास्ट 1/3 इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. बट इसमें क्या होता है कि इट्स रिटन इन 3 पार्ट्स. फर्स्ट इज अ डिफरेंट POV, लाइक मिलीज POV. सेकेंड इज अ डिफरेंट POV, एंड देन थर्ड इज द शो डाउन, लाइक फाइनली क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है, वी गेट टू नो. देन द बुक रैप्स अप इन द थर्ड पार्ट. बट जस्ट बिकॉज फर्स्ट हाफ हो जाता है, एंड देन वी स्टार्ट सी द डिफरेंट POV, द सेकेंड POV, एंड वो वापस काइंड ऑफ स्टार्टिंग से स्टार्ट हो जाता है. सो इट इज़ लाइक काइंड ऑफ बोरिंग, काइंड ऑफ लाइक थोड़ा सा बोरिंग हो जाता है कि ठीक है अभी फिर बाद में क्या हुआ वो बताओ, यू नो. सो that's the point, but at the same time it's interesting, it's good. So of course I had to pick the second book, but I think the second book is the best book in the series because I like the ending. The ending made sense. First में it was very far-fetched, थर्ड में ठीक थी I would say, but in general मुझे वो book बहुत ज़्यादा, मतलब just because उसको एक थर्ड बुक लिखनी थी इसलिए उसने लिख दी टाइप्स फील आया. But ठीक है, it was interesting. I like to see Millie settle down and everything. Yeah. So these are the 3 books I read. The series, the Housemaid series. इसमें से कुछ भी मेरे last time के prompts में fit नहीं हुआ, so I could not do anything. After that, I also read another book because I wanted to read some crime thrillers, and then I picked How to Slay at Work, and it's a crime thriller. It's not a mystery thriller because we know who did it, but we are trying to figure out why they did it or how they did it. So that's what I realized कि अच्छा crime और mystery में ये difference होता है कि mystery में we are figuring out who did it, और इसमें how और why ये questions solve होते हैं. So this book, इस book में कौन है? मिली? नहीं, wait, मिली ही है. See, this is a big thing कि मैंने लास्ट 3 साल में इतनी बुक्स पढ़ी है, बट यही होता है कि एवरी टाइम 2 सेम नाम के प्रोटैगनिस्ट, मतलब बैक टू बैक या फिर साइमल्टेनियसली आई रीड. हाउसमेड में भी मिली थी और यहाँ पे भी मिली ही है. सो मिली इज वर्किंग इन अ कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिस एंड दे ट्रैवल फॉर वर्क. सो वेरेवर हर बॉस गोज ऑन अ वर्क ट्रिप, सम गाय गेट्स मर्डर्ड इन दैट सिटी. सो शी स्टार्ट्स डिगिंग अप कि वो कहाँ गई है, कौन कौन गया है. and she starts finding pattern. She realizes that maybe her boss is a serial killer or maybe she is a vigilante. That's what you have to figure out. ठीक है? So because सब कुछ तो मैं नहीं बताऊंगी फिर spoiler हो जाएगा. The book is really good. It's not very typical crime thriller. There are so many layers to this book. Like you will find a different plot twist at every single corner. Because इतने सारे plot twists है कि कुछ ना कुछ होता रहता है. There are so many revelations. There are so many plot twists. There are so many shocking things happening in the book. It's crazy. It's insane. It's perfect crime thriller. It's good. If you liked How to Kill Men and Get Away with It, but you didn't like the way she planned the murders, it was very sloppy. It was way too sloppy. वो मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आया. But yes, if you like that kind of a theme, then you will like this book. That's all I read. I think I missed 2 prompts. One was by Indian author and the other one was TV movie adaptation. Sorry, I could not do it. मुझे नहीं पढ़ने का मन कर रहा था. I'm sorry. अगर कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ती इससे तो अच्छा कुछ पढ़ लिया. Anyways, let's move on to the TBR jar जो मुझे वहाँ पे दिख रहा है. I'll get it. Okay. So the TBR jar is here. Let's pick 5 prompts because उससे ज़्यादा मुझे मेरे से होंगे नहीं. और 5 एक अच्छा 5 is a good number. Also before picking this up, I have 3 books which I want to put on my TBR. Wait, I'll get them. I want to read these 3 at least. ये मुझे ये मंथ में पढ़ना है, बट बाकी के 2 मुझे अगस्त सितंबर अक्टूबर तक 3 महीने में कभी तो पढ़ने हैं. These are 2 murder mysteries. This is a middle grade. I think it's a middle grade cozy mystery, and this is another cozy mystery. So I want to read these. तो I hope कि हम इनको मेरे TBR पे ऐड कर सकते हैं. Now it's time. Last time जैसे करेंगे. I'll pick the prompts and then I'll go around and find the books and I'll come back. ठीक है? I want to start with blue color this time. ऐसे ही मेरा मन. It says a book you think you'll rate 5 stars. Oh, ठीक है. ये मैं साइड में रख रही हूँ for now. After that, pink. Purchased at the bookstore. मतलब ऑनलाइन नहीं, परचेज्ड एट अ बुक स्टोर. मेक सेंस. इंटरेस्टिंग. बिकॉज मैं बहुत सारे बुक्स नहीं लेती, बट है कुछ है मेरे TBR पे. वील सी. अ बुक विथ प्रिटी कवर. अगेन इजी. मतलब इजीली मैं कुछ भी उस प्रॉम्प्ट पे लग सकती. सारे बुक्स प्रिटी होते हैं, बट ठीक है. आई थिंक येलो एंड देन वाइट. अब ये दिख भी रहा था. सॉरी. अ बुक यू हैड फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. एक ही बुक है. एक ही बुक है जो बहुत टाइम से, बट ठीक है. देख. एंड देन वाइट. लेट्स ओपन दिस. नेक्स्ट टाइम ना चिट्स थोड़े बड़े करने चाहिए. क्या है? एन ऑथर्स डेब्यू नॉवेल. I'll go around and find the books and I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. And I have all the books. So the first is, अब मैंने यहाँ पे जैसे ही रखे हैं तो मैं आपको वैसे ही दिखाऊंगी. A book you think you will rate 5 stars. And I picked this book because I love Abby Jimenez. I love first book and उसमें The Friend Zone and उसमें मुझे स्लोन बहुत पसंद आई थी and I think I like this book a lot. And I have moved on from the events that happened in the Friend Zone. So I think I want to read this. I want to annotate something. Then I have a book with pretty cover. I have picked this because come on, it's cute. She has a cupcake in her hand. There are some stars. It's sparkling. I love such magical covers. So yes, I want to read this. Then we have purchased at the bookstore. तो मैंने बहुत सारे books purchase नहीं किए bookstore पे. I had another one. I do have a book. So I have 2 books which I purchased at the bookstore. Which is first is the I Guess Shara Wheeler and Mr. Wrong Number. तो I think इन दोनों में से मैं कोई भी पिक करूँगी. I can't commit to one because जो भी मैं बोलूँगी मुझे गारंटी है कि मैं उसके अपोजिट वाला ही बुक उठाने वाली. सो माइट एज वेल पुट बोथ द बुक्स ऑन माई TBR. तो इसमें से कोई तो एक आई पिक, ठीक है. फॉर द प्रॉम्प्ट परचेज एट द बुक स्टोर, बिकॉज इतने ज़्यादा बुक्स नहीं परचेज करती हूँ मैं बुक स्टोर पे, या फिर उनमें से बहुत सारे मेरे ऑलरेडी पढ़ के हो चुके हैं. So yes, I have these two. Then there was this one with a debut novel by an author. तो मेरे पास ऐसे कोई है नहीं अभी के लिए जो डेब्यू नॉवेल्स है. तो बट एट द सेम टाइम आई रियलाइज कि मैं एक बुक पढ़ रही हूँ विच इज़ अ डेब्यू नॉवल एंड इट्स कॉल्ड द मर्डर्स इन ग्रेट डिडलिंग. इट्स अ वेरी कोजी स्मॉल टाउन and of course a murder happens and we have an author who's trying to figure out the murder. Yes, so I will be reading that for the prompt, a debut novel. And then we have this prompt, a book you had for a very long time, and I think I have Sophie Kinsella on my TBR for a very long time and I'd like to pick that because उससे भी एक पुरानी बुक है which is The Tortoise All the Way Down, जो मैंने अभी तक नहीं पढ़ी. अभी मेरा मूड भी नहीं है पढ़ने का, तो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू पिक इट अप. सो वी आर गोना रीड Sophie Kinsella. I have all Sophie Kinsella here, so I'm gonna pick. I think there are 2 books which I haven't read. So we have I Owe You One and Surprise Me. Again, I'll pick one of these. मुझे नहीं पता कौन सा. मुझे नहीं पता. तो I'm gonna put both the books for now on my TBR. इनमें से मैं कोई तो एक पढ़ूंगी. So yeah, so this is my TBR for right now. I'm gonna read some of these books and या तो कोई और books, but at least we'll hope कि मैं बहुत सारे मेरे physical books खत्म करूँ. So yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please like, share and comment and subscribe. जो भी 4-5 चीज़ें हैं नीचे वीडियो के वो सब कुछ कर देना. And thanks for watching. Bye.